About to go into the title company and close on mobile home park number 2. Really excited. If they let me film in there, I will film, and if not, then I will see you when we get out.
I didn't realize you had gray hair. Working out there.
I try not to get too close.
Well, he didn't until he went through this purchase.
Right? I was going to say, well, it's just going to get worse. Okay. All right, this next one. All right, this is your deed, but I wanted you to see it's going to be under your LLC and the address. All right, that is it, guys. All I need to do now.
A lot easier than buying a house.
Right? That's
Most
true.
of that is all finances. So.
Yeah, I like it when
I'm gonna tell you.
Well, I closed. I closed on the mobile home park. This channel is mainly for investors that want to purchase and resell individual mobile homes. I wanted to share this experience that I purchased this used mobile home park. It's not a new mobile home park. There's not many of those. It is a used mobile home park. And I have worked with about 10, maybe 9 or 10 different individuals who are individual mobile home investors that have also purchased their first mobile home parks. And I don't say that to pat myself on the back. I say that because of the folks that I have helped purchase a mobile home park, they're finding those communities, they're building those relationships by being individual mobile home investors. We're getting out to the parks that we eventually may be purchasing. So you're going out to literally, in the first couple weeks of being an individual mobile home investor, buying the individual mobile homes, you're going around to dozens and dozens, or 50 or 100 or over 100 parks in your first few weeks getting started with mobile home investing. So of course you're going to be rubbing shoulders with park managers and park owners and finding out insider information, who's selling, is this park particularly selling, or you're investing in the communities in the individual mobile homes. You're rubbing shoulders with the dealers and the owners, and they will eventually know who you are, or the park managers and the park owners. They will know who you are. Your word, your name will get around in these communities. So I just kind of wanted to mention that even if you aren't, looking, strongly, you're not mailing to mobile home parks, you're not cold calling them. If you still have an interest in parks, in buying the complete communities themselves, just by being an individual mobile home investor, you're going to be sort of in this niche, in this field. We're going to be exposed to different park manager problems where we can solve a need. Also dealing with the park owner themselves, there may be a need there that we can help them. We can purchase their park directly, and we can also maybe wholesale it as well. And again, I tell you this, not that it's going to be the norm and you're going to find a park that is going to be, a great deal tomorrow, but I did sort of want to make a mention that, that is a valid way to be in this business and find parks, is to go park to park, doing what we normally do as mobile home investors. We have to do 5 to 6 things while we're at all of these parks, and one of them is, hey, let's find out what's for sale. Let's find out some good insider information. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much for watching this video. I am going to be putting on probably a webinar because I know people are going to have questions about this particular park that I just closed on. As you can see, this is sort of like a quick visualization of the park. We have about half the spaces that are filled with mobile homes. There's 4 individual single family homes on the park as well. Those ones are owned by the company that bought the park, by my company. But then all the other mobile homes that are there, those are owned by the actual residents. But we have all these vacant spots you can see right here that we're going to fill up with new or used mobile homes. So I kind of wanted to have a webinar just because I know people are going to be asking, John, what are your goals? What are your strategies? How do you plan on, accomplishing those goals? What about the acquisition and the resale and your plan and the due diligence process? Because if we're buying an individual mobile home, that's like, there's a lot of due diligence in just one mobile home, let alone the land, the infrastructure. You're buying all these other homes, and if there's other things on the park as well, such as apartment buildings, or in this case there's like some storage, and there was a wash house, and there was a couple houses, and plus all the other mobile homes. So anyway, I hope that all made sense. And lastly, I wanted to say just thank you so much for being a part of this channel. I don't know if you subscribed years ago and you've been watching me for years, or you're kind of brand new to you, but I wanted to say thank you. Very much I wanted to share this with you. This entire journey that I've had in mobile homes has been a weird, wild one. So I hope that this video and this channel has been helpful to you. If you need any other help, feel free to comment below or reach out to me directly at support@mobilehomeinvesting.net. That's support@mobilehomeinvesting.net. I think I'm back in the camera now. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.